Hey friends, welcome to Everyday Indian Cooking. Today I'm going to make a South Indian recipe, quick and easy microwave Rava Idli. So let's see the ingredients required for this. To make Rava Idli, I have 1 cup of coarse Rava, semolina or suji, half cup of yogurt, some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, this is optional, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of split urad dal or black gram, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 pinch of asafoetida or hing, half teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. The next step is to roast the rava till it leaves nice aroma. I have some oil heating over here. To this, first I am going to put the mustard seeds. Next goes urad dal, asafoetida, some chopped green chilies, now I'm going to add rava, roast this till they leaves nice aroma and they change slightly brown in color. This looks done. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. To this I'm going to add the other ingredients. First I'll add some salt. Just be light on salt because we are already adding the fruit salt. Mix them. I'll add the yogurt, coriander, ginger, give them a nice mix. Make sure that everything is nicely incorporated into this batter. Now once you are done mixing this, you need to add water. I'm going to add some water. Just make sure you don't form any lump. And you don't have to make a very thin batter. So I'm going to add some more water. And I'll just let this rest for maybe 15 minutes. The rava might absorb some water when they are resting, so we'll see if required we can add some more water, but as of now this is the consistency what we required. I'm going to let them rest for 15 minutes and later we can add the fruit salt. It's been 15 minutes, the dough was resting and you can see this has become slightly thick. The rava absorbed some water, so I'm going to add some more water. Nicely mix it. Just don't end up adding a lot of water. You can see this is what we need, the consistency. What I'm going to do, I'll add the fruit salt. This fruit salt will help to make the rava soft and fluffy, and also it's a rising agent. Nicely mix it. Before adding this fruit salt, you need to keep the idli plates ready. Okay. Now I have this idli plates ready. I have this ready, so I already greased this plates with oil so that it will be easier for me to take the idlis out. So first add some water and now take this plate to the idli plates. Just don't fill it completely, leave some space so that it can expand. Okay, this is done. I'm going to place it here. Now one more round. After adding this Eno fruit salt, you have to be quick. So just prepare everything before you add the fruit salt. Later we can directly put this into a plate. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to cover this with this lid. Don't forget to add water, which I already did. Cover it nicely and keep it open so that the steam can escape. Now I'm going to microwave this for 3 minutes. I microwaved this idlis for 3 minutes and now let's check. Okay, this is halfway done. You can see this side is done, this side is not done. So I can keep for 3 more minutes. So altogether 6 minutes and this idlis will be ready. So back to the microwave for 3 more minutes. I microwaved this for 3 more minutes and let's open this. Okay, this looks ready. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just allow this to cool before you take it on a plate. And you saw how quick this recipe is. It just takes maybe 6 to 8 minutes depending on your microwave heat setting. You don't need anything like steamer or idli plates. Look at this, they're looking so good. Serve hot rava idlis with coconut chutney and sambar. Thanks again for watching my video. I hope you like this recipe. Bye bye.